Hey there, I'm Mangin, designer and host of The Weekender. We're looking back at past Weekender projects and going deeper to give you all the inspiration and the know-how that you need to try these in your own home. Let's explore floating vanities and desks.
In this bedroom makeover, we created a floating vanity where the homeowners could get ready in the morning and take full advantage of all the natural light from that California sunshine. Before our makeover, they were using a large table tucked into a corner of their room. We got creative to customize a new space that looked chic and better suited their needs. With so many different product options available at Lowe's, you can turn any nook or corner in your home into a useful space. Even though we're using this as a vanity and getting ready area, it's technically a floating desk. There are a bunch of floating desk options on Lowes.com, and I chose this one because it was an ideal size and has modern clean lines but plenty of warmth as well. The two lower drawers are great for storage, which is a must for a vanity. A massive plus to using a floating desk as a vanity is the control you have to really customize it to fit your needs. We hung the vanity at the exact height that worked best with the new chair I'd picked out on Lowes.com. Adding an oversized mirror was a major upgrade from the tiny tabletop one the homeowner was using, and it also added to the sophisticated feel of the room. Lowe's has so many wall mirror options, framed, unframed, beveled, arched. It's an inexpensive way to make a big impact in your space. When installing a large format mirror like we did, make sure you also pick up all the installation accessories that you'll need to properly secure it to the wall. The last element of this vanity area is the lighting. The natural light during the day serves as the main source in this corner, but once the sun goes down, we wanted to add some beautiful lighting for a dramatic and cozy evening vibe. Even though we're using our light in a bedroom, we walk the aisles at Lowe's looking at all kinds of pendant lighting. You might think of pendants for kitchens only, but they work great as unique accent lighting in all different rooms. I went with a 6-globe pendant style from Origin 21 that has a luxe look, and we were able to adjust the lengths of each globe to perfectly balance and finish off our vanity area. This project is super homeowner friendly and can work in so many different spaces. It's the type of project that reminds me that with a little creativity and supplies from Lowe's, you can create a home that's just right for you.
I love using products in different and creative ways. If you have any questions about this, drop a comment below. And if you haven't seen this full episode, be sure to check it out. This bedroom transformation is so good. But before you go, hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss a single thing on the Lowe's YouTube channel.